Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Will Motivation, and I am back with another video giving you guys an update on my real estate project here in Medellin, Colombia. My second Airbnb project, and things are moving quickly. So I'm down here to manage the project, to get materials for the project, and basically I want to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. And also I have 2 cars I'm working on to provide content for the channel when I'm down here in Colombia that I think will be really good for the channel. So you guys stay tuned for that. But let me show you guys the progress on my dream home number 2 here in Medellin, Colombia. All right, so here we go. So this is coming inside the house to the right. This is going to be the shared public bathroom. It's a half bath, so there'll be a toilet in there, and there will be a sink, a vanity right there. All right, so this will be the half bath. Sorry, it's a little dark. All right, coming into the main house right here. It's gonna be similar to my place upstairs. Let me back up a little bit. Similar to my place upstairs. This will be like the living room area. I'll put a TV on that wall over there. We are setting up the plumbing to do a jacuzzi out here. I wanted the jacuzzi right here in the middle. They're a little bit worried about the weight of the jacuzzi, so we're gonna put it on the outside. So there'll be a nice jacuzzi there on the outside. Put a little barbecue on the left, and then in this space we'll have a little sitting area and maybe a little bar. All right, so yep, TV right here. Then we're gonna put the sink area here. So the sink, if you're washing dishes and taking care of that, you'll be able to see over to folks that are in the living room. Then you come around this corner right here. We'll have a huge island in the middle. We'll have a huge island where you can sit some chairs by the island, and then you can cook right there. We'll have a cooktop, kind of look like a hibachi. And then we'll have the refrigerator. We'll have like a little pantry in the middle, and then we'll have a stove and a microwave on this side over here. Like I said, we'll be able to wash dishes on this side, so it'll be a little L shape. We'll be able to get over there, set stuff here on the counter for the island. I might make the island separate right here, because so you can pass through. You don't have to walk all the way around over here. Okay, this area right here is going to be the dining room. So to open this all the way up, put like a little round 6-seater table in here. We're gonna have glass sliding doors or accordion doors right here to go out to this second patio right here. It'll be really nice. I'll probably put some cabinets on this wall right here just to have a little extra space for the kitchen. So yep, you have your little sitting. All right, so right here will be where you can come into. There'll be a glass door here, glass door on this side, and you'll be able to walk into the master bedroom number 1, which is all of this space here. They built that wall, like last time I was here, they didn't have that wall there, but they built this wall. This will be the master bathroom on that side. Your bed will be right here. A little office area will be over here. Another little closet for your clothes, but yeah, nice little work area right there. Then you'll have a TV on this room and another closet and some drawers and things to store your stuff. So the closet over there, closet over there. So you won't have a walk-in closet in this bedroom, but you will have an ensuite, and you'll have a beautiful like view when you wake up. So this is going to be the master bathroom for this room. There'll be a shower on the right, a little toilet over there, and then across this wall will be a double sink, double vanity, right? So that'll be nice bathroom right there. Make sure we'll put a nice big mirror right there. So yeah, this is master bedroom number 1. So you'll be able to come in the door right here. So we'll leave out that door right here. We'll come out here. It's another something new over here. It's this space here. This space right here is going to be the laundry room. So we'll have a washer dryer set up over here, and we'll have like a little wash basin right there, and little laundry area right here. Very, very useful space right there. All right, now let's go to see the other 3 bedrooms. So this is gonna be a 4-bedroom apartment, Airbnb. I don't know, man. It's gonna be really nice. So maybe this will be my second home. So this is a small office slash bedroom that will have its own ensuite. It'll have a small shower, toilet and sink. So the toilet will be on this side. The shower will be in this nook right here, and the sink will be right in front of you. So it'll be a small bathroom, but a bonus. All right, so yeah, this will be a small, little guest room right here with its own bathroom. All right, so let's go to the other bedrooms here in the back. These bedrooms are a little bigger, and the bathrooms are a lot bigger. So this is gonna be a nice bedroom here. It's gonna have a nice closet right here for storing clothes and stuff. Then of course you'll have your bed right here. You'll have your TV right here, and then you'll have your bathroom, a nice sized bathroom. It actually goes way back. So it'll be a shower over there, a little toilet over here, and then a sink right here. So it'll be a nice size bathroom right here. So that'll be cool. All right, so that's bedroom number 3. Let's go see bedroom number 4. So the big thing about this bedroom, actually designed is similar to my master bedroom in my house in the States. It's not quite as big, but you have your bed here with your nightstands. You're in the bed. You have your TV on this wall. Maybe a little low profile or slim, not too deep cabinets right there, and your TV up at top. I might put a fireplace in here, just depending on how it feels once the bed is in here. But here's going to be the dramatic thing about this bedroom. It's going to have a spectacular master bathroom. So look at all this space it's going to have. So this is the wall on the left. We're going to build this wall out here on the right so that you have his and hers closets. So you'll have his closet on the left. You have the hers closet on the right. So they'll be with sliding doors and, nice little closet area. Then as you come in deeper into the bathroom, on the left you'll have a sink for his, and the right you'll have a sink for the hers. You have a toilet in the corner, and you'll have a shower in the back as well. So this is going to be a really nice bathroom. So yeah, if you ask me, I think this will probably be the nicest master bathroom, maybe in this building. I did see one other apartment in this building that has a really nice master bedroom and bathroom setup, but to me, I really like making symmetrical designs for my bathrooms. Closets aren't too big, but it'll be really, really nice. So this is the update on my Airbnb project number 2, and I am currently negotiating on 2 more apartments in the same building to have 4 Airbnbs by the end of the year, and then we'll go from there. So this will be a really nice project. My goal is to do $100K a year through Airbnb investments down here in Medellin, Colombia, by making them really, really nice, and doubling my investment if I was to resell. So that's the goal. So you guys stick with me, and I'll show you what happens. For the flooring, for the showers. So we're in the store selecting materials right now. This is the fun part for me, putting it all together. Toilet's gonna be this one right here. The toilet, a little bit bigger. So I think I found my shower towel right there. So walls in the shower, and the flooring right here. There we go. All right, so this will be for the cabinets. So these are like the materials that go on the cabinets in the closets. So it'll be like this, just like that. What do y'all think? Ford Mustang down here? This might be a nice little channel car for Colombia. What y'all think? sell my Mustang in the States. Get one of these down here. A little newer. It'd be a nice little toy down here. What y'all think, man? Drop me a comment.
Hey, I just wanted to say thanks for watching today's video. There's a lot more to come. Hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. A lot of you guys have been asking me about when is my online course going to be ready. Well, I have good news for you. My online course is completed. I'll put a link in the description of this video where you can click on that link and get a 40% discount off the course. That'll be for the first 50 students. So if you're ready to take the online course that I've basically laid out everything that I know about how to invest in real estate, click the link below or just go to www.willmotivation.com/invest. And thank you guys for taking the time out to watch today's video. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.